What's going on, everybody? Car Guy V8 here, and this video has been a long time in the making. I finally have 500 miles on this truck, and I just did my second oil change, one at 100 miles, one at 500 miles. And so now I'm going to start driving this thing pretty spiritedly. I've already been driving it probably a little more aggressively than I should have, just because it is a blast. Now, it is a 273 geared truck, either that or 308. It doesn't have the RPO code printed anywhere, and nothing on the 12-bolt rear end that I could find without opening it up, of course. So it is about probably 4,000 pounds with a 273 rear end, but it's 2,800 stall, acts like about 4,300 with the setup I've got. So making somewhere around 380 horse with the setup I've got. So it's no slouch. It is a lot of fun to drive. Trying to put on my seatbelt here. It's not all the way warm, but I have had it started already. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will say, I'm sure y'all noticed that the truck, it always short shifts no matter what. I'm trying to get that worked out with this Turbo 400. Stalls at 4,300 or so, and it will always shift before the stall RPM, before the engine actually overcomes the stall speed, if that makes sense. It feels like it shifts about 3,800 or so, because I can hold it in gear. Like you saw that 1 second gear pull I did. It's pretty quick in that second gear pull, and I'm sure first is as well, but I haven't really tested it too much because it'll just blow the tires off. But third, A lot of those pulls you saw were in third, and you see it jumps up to that stall speed, and it's a pretty quick old truck actually. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more content of this truck.